So what is a function and how many millions of different types of them are there? Well, a function is a statement that does something. It either takes a value from you, manipulates that value and returns a different result, or it takes nothing from you, but it still is able to return you a result. Now, there are only really three types of functions. There are VBA built-in functions, some of which we've seen already, some more of which are to come. There are Excel worksheet functions. These are the ones that you are used to using totally already within Excel. For example, a sum function, where you might have a list of numbers and you want to add them up. At the bottom, we simply use a built-in Excel function, which the VBA would refer to as a worksheet function, equals sum, open brackets, and we're going to give it a list of cells. So that's what we give the function, and in return, it gives us back the result, which effectively is the sum of the cells we've given it. And then the third category of function is one that you've written yourself. So a user-defined function. Those are the three categories. We've already seen effectively all three of those categories in action. Now we're going to have a fairly relatively quick run through of some of the more common built-in VBA functions and how we can access Excel's worksheet functions whilst we're in the VBA code. And then finally, how we can implement our own functions to improve our code.